Another day, another unexpected turn in the world of aviation, and this incident was certainly for the birds. In the skies over Pakistan, AP flight en route from Lahore to Jeddah had a surprise encounter after being struck by a bird near Karachi. As a safety precaution, the pilots made the call to divert the aircraft, executing a safe landing at Karachi Airport. Fortunately, the incident concluded without any harm. All passengers and crew aboard the flight are reported to be safe. From close calls to emergency landings, the skies are a reminder. In aviation, safety always comes first.